They are making $49,000 to $784,000 per month approximately using AI. And anyone can do it, especially if you are at a 9-to-5 day job and you don't have time more than 2 to 3 hours per day and you are not computer savvy. You don't even know about computers. You don't even know about AI. First of all, let's go and remove all the distractions. Now that the distractions are gone, take a look at this screenshot. It's unbelievable, but it's true that they are making big money. Nobody knows exactly how much they're earning, but they are making huge. So let me show you how they're doing it and how you can do it too. We publish training videos like this every single day to help people like you who are busy, have a 9-to-5 day job, don't have a lot of time to learn and do everything yourself. We try to make it comprehensive and bite-sized at the same time. We try to make it step by step as much as possible, and we need a favor from you. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. This way we can hit our goal of getting 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and you can be notified when we will upload our next money video. And if you think these videos are good, feel free to share with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe to our channel as well. Let's go. It started from this tiny little video showing up on my feed. Let's go give it a watch. An emotional story, isn't it? There is no face. There is no voiceover, just a story. Now, why am I talking about this? Because this one video got 165 million views. Look at this. So either 165 million people watched it one time, or one person watched it 165 million times, which doesn't make any sense. So tons of people got exposed to this video. And you can see some other videos here. Don't say that now. We'll say that later. So I went ahead and checked the channel. They have only 23 videos, and they are all short videos, and 2 more like 2-minute long videos. That's it. And guess what? These videos got 1,247,000, 51 million, 91 million, 44 million views. It's crazy. Now I'm going to show you how you can make this kind of videos. But you might be thinking, oh, I'm not into videos. Is there any other way to make money online? Yes, absolutely. You do not need to make this kind of videos. And there is a negative side to this as well, which may stop making you money anytime. Even these guys making a lot of money right now, they may stop making money anytime. We'll come back to that later. First, we want to understand the fundamental of making money. For that, I want to show you another AI video.
And in January 2024, I was just a housekeeper earning minimum wage. The bills were always overdue, and each month things got worse.
This is a completely AI made video. Just one lady sitting on her couch talking to the camera. And you, my friend, hate to speak to the camera. Even me, who wants to wake up in the morning, freshen up, pray, then switch on the lights, cameras, prepare the script, shoot the videos, edit, and all those shenanigans. I just want to press one button and my video is ready. This is exactly what happened right here. Now, we don't want to go to the nitty-gritty and how to make this kind of video right now. I want to show you the money first. This video will convince you to click the Learn More button. When you click, you will land on this page. Now look at this website, pretty simple website. It's a 1-sentence headline right here and 1 video. Wait, I'm gonna watch the video later, but under the video, there is some social proof. Some people on social media, it looks like comments from Facebook. They're talking good about the whole product or the whole thing right here. Let's go and watch what we have here.
This man won the lottery 3 times, and today he's going to reveal the secret to his luck. Can you imagine if there were a way for you to become incredibly lucky?
All right, I wouldn't show any woman in my channel. The only reason I'm showing is they are not real. This video is completely AI generated. I know because I use the software myself. And this video is super long, like 45 minutes long, completely AI made. There's literally no human in this video. And at the end of the video, you will find a button right here that will take you to the checkout page and ask you to pay $37 or something like that. They might be charging differently to test different price points. Now, the reason I'm showing you this is that these guys are spending their hard-earned money on advertisements and they're selling a product. Do you understand the reason? The reason is this is where the money is. Money is in other people's pocket and it comes to your pocket when you sell something to them. Now, this selling does not need your face on the camera. For selling, you don't need to be salesy. Selling only requires the mindset that the freedom is on selling. You give people what they want and they give you the money. That's the simplest formula of making money, whether it's online or offline. When it's online, you use the internet. When it's offline, you use real life. If this thing is discouraging to you, don't worry. We have a program which is a 99% done for you program where our students make passive affiliate commissions like this, and like this without selling anything, without being sales, without even trying to promote anything. If you want to learn more about our program, there is a free training in the link in the description. Go check out the training and you will know step by step how to make money online using AI, using digital marketing, and using 99% done for you system. And after watching this free training, if you still have any question, feel free to ask our AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. It will give you all the answers you need. But if you want to speak to me one-on-one, feel free to DM me on Instagram and Facebook Messenger. I will be more than happy to answer any question. This video is free to watch. There is absolutely no reason why you should not watch this video. Go and watch this video from the link in the description. It will teach you every step how to launch and run and profit from a 99% done for you AI powered digital marketing business. All right, back to the video. So we learned the purpose of AI and AI made videos. And also the reason I shared this 99% done for you system with you is because this view-based ad revenue system has a massive flaw. It can stop making you money anytime. We'll come back to this later. Before that, let's learn how to do it. And then we will see how to combine this skill and this selling skill together and make money without spending money on ad. Wow, that's a lot. Let's go. First of all, I just want to take a screenshot of this image and I want to save that image. Now I will go to ChatGPT, select ChatGPT 4o model, click this little plus button, click upload from computer and upload this image. Now I will say what I have in mind. I want to create an animated AI video using Runway ML. Analyze the image and write a detailed prompt to create this video. Now I recommend you try uploading a video clip and try to get a prompt for that as well. I'm simply trying an image here, so let's go and see what happens. Now AI is thinking, AI is working for you, and here is the detailed prompt for Runway ML animation. Look at this. Create a scene, la 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 la. Okay, we don't want to waste too much time. We just want to go copy the whole thing, Control C, and we go to Runway ML, and we're gonna Control V paste this video. That's it, and click generate and see what happens. Wow, it's asking to upgrade. Use this model. Now this is a completely new one. I have never tried myself before. I'm gonna paste the whole prompt right here and click create animation. I hope they have a free trial. They gave me this pop-up again and I pasted the prompt. I do not want to enhance prompt. I just want to go straight directly and create an animation. Probably none of these look like what we are looking for, but this looks promising. So I'm gonna choose this one and click do magic. It will not be 3D, it will be 2D cartoonish, but still it's new. Why not? It's pretty fast. 100% complete. Wow. Okay.
Create a serene, whimsical ocean scene during a calm, sunny day with soft, fluffy clouds scattered across the sky.
It even added voiceover and background music that I didn't ask for, but hey, why not? Okay, it is still rendering, so we will leave it to rendering. Okay, let it render first. In the meantime, let's try something else. Okay, it is done.
Create a serene, whimsical ocean scene during a calm, sunny day with soft, fluffy clouds scattered across the sky.
Okay, really? No. No. I was looking for a turtle carrying a rabbit. Alright, I think I chose the wrong software first. So there is one called runwayml.com. They have a basic version that you can try and you'll get a one-time 125 credits. I'm gonna click get started and log in with one of my emails, and then I will go and click start a new session. It's good that I have an option to click create, upload, and upload the image, or I could have created the image using AI. But since I have the image, I just uploaded it. Just a little cropping here and click crop. And now I will paste the whole prompt and click generate. That's all. It says there is an error. We have been alerted to the error and will investigate. Cool. Let's go back, and this time we want to create an image first. But unfortunately, they're not allowing to create an image. So I'll have to go back and select the asset again. Here's the one, the cropped version, and I will put the prompt again right here and click generate. The video is queued. The generation is in process, and you can see the progress. It's pretty fast. You literally have nothing to do. 98% done, and the video is ready. I am excited to see what we have got. Wow, did you see this? It looks just like the original one. Wow. Now you can go one by one, select scenes or describe scenes. You'll have to create multiple clips, download them, and combine them using any video editing software. And now you're asking, Mosh, where is the money in it? What if I don't make money like this? What if I upload and YouTube doesn't rank my videos? Am I gonna make money? No, my friend. You are not going to make money like this if YouTube does not rank your videos and YouTube does not send you a lot of views like this channel. And if you look closely, there are other channels making similar videos, but they are not getting a lot of views. Heck, this video has got 0 views. I think this similar video has got 540 views. Look at my channel. I get 90 views, 23 views, 300 views, 400 views, and my long videos get 200 views, 300 views. What? How am I gonna make money then? My friend, you go back to selling mode without actually selling, and you are invited to use my 99% done for you system to make money like these beginner students. However, here is a plan for you. Go back to ChatGPT and ask this question. I want to convince my client to invest in short videos to promote their brand. So I need help make a presentation with real data and statistics-based information. Write a comprehensive prompt for me to use in Perplexity AI for this, and let ChatGPT write a complete prompt for you. So look at this. It's writing a comprehensive prompt. It's not just like one single line mediocre prompt and you will get mediocre results. No, this is a comprehensive prompt and you will get a complete result. Let's go to perplexity.ai, put this prompt and hit enter and see what we get. Now Perplexity is scraping the internet, working as Google, a search engine, searching the data for you and is providing you with the comprehensive, complete data that you need in order to convince your clients to invest in short videos. And this way you do not have to depend on ranking your videos on Google or YouTube. You can have others to invest in short videos and you make the money giving them the service. Look at all this information. 73% of consumers prefer short form videos to search for products or services. Now ask, make pie charts showing data in each section and see if we can gather a pie chart completely ready-made. It's not happening really. Yeah, I apologize, but as an AI model, I don't have the capability. That's okay. 60% of short form videos are watched for 41% to 80% of their length. Okay, now you got the point, right? Then ask, can you put this data in slides and give to me so I can download and use? Let's see what I get. I apologize for this confusion. They can't do it. It's okay, forget about it. There are other softwares to do it, or you can do it manually. Now I'm gonna copy this whole thing and ask ChatGPT. I got the below information from Perplexity. I want you to create slides for a presentation with a call to action for my video creation services to potential client, and click enter, see what happens. Either we get or we don't get, not a problem. AI is doing the hard work for us. We can always go back, do some iteration, improve the work, and then use it. Up to now, we have 10 slides ready. Subhanallah. The first slide shows unlock the power of short videos for brand growth. If you have a specific brand in mind that you want to target the clients of, for example, social media marketing or local salons, car spare parts, car cleaning, workshops, sky's the limit, restaurants, What? Unlock the power of short videos. Slide number 2, why short form videos? Slide 3, market trends. Slide 4, ROI and conversion rates. Slide 5, platform specific insight. And of course, you can generate a video and share with them as a sample. Does this look like a lot of work? In order to make big money, yes, you need to do some work. If you want to avoid 99% of the work and leave it to us and make money like this, then I highly recommend watch this free training video and decide whether this program is the right fit for you or not. If it is right fit for you, I want you to sign up. If you have questions, I want you to ask my AI agent. If you have more questions, if you want to speak to me one-on-one, use these links. You have no reason to stay where you are today. If you don't take action, somebody else will. Why not you? If you keep thinking, you'll get the same results that you got before. What result is that? Please like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Switch on the notification bell button so YouTube can notify you when we upload the next one. For more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.